Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Acquate Academy. Today I'm going to share with you one beautiful features of Office 365. The feature is about suppose you have a data here, right? Now you want some information from this data. It's a big data and you want a specific information from this. So what you need to do is here is the analyze data tab is here. It is available in Office 365. So just click on this and a pop-up will be appeared or a box will be appeared on the right hand side and you just ask a question. So I'm asking to perform a task for me. So I'm asking please tell me three top customers from this data and hit the button. Now we can see that the three top customers is appearing according to their amount, right? Now the best part is that you can insert a pivot from here only. You need not to go anywhere. So just click insert pivot table and you can see all three top customers. Okay, so this is the very good features available in Office 365. Please try this in your workplace and get most of the result from it. So please watch my videos and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos, and also those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and watch my videos till the end. Thank you very much for watching this video.